Hello class, Mr. Knight here. I'm recording my insights this week from sunny San Diego, California, where I am speaking at DjangoCon 2019. This afternoon I'll be giving a tutorial on web UI testing and automation. I'm really excited for that. But anyway, let's talk about this lesson, lesson 6, about continuous integration. Now that may seem like a scary term, but we've actually been building up to it for the past 2 weeks. The previous 2 lessons dealt with using Git, first locally and then remotely with a team. Continuous integration is really the third step of that. Imagine you have that repository in Git shared with the team, and let's say each person is making commits and pushing as part of regular development. What happens when all of those changes integrate, meaning come together in that remote repository that everyone shares? What you may have tested locally for your change might be good, but once it goes up to integrate with everybody else's change, it might explode, it might fail, it might cause bugs. What continuous integration does is that it will continuously integrate everyone's check-ins together and then automatically kick off builds and tests, and then report that on some sort of dashboard or some sort of central information system so that we know when problems happen. We know when bugs get introduced, and we know that very quickly so we have fast feedback to fix it before it gets shipped out to a customer. That's the whole point of a continuous integration system. Now, there are many kinds of continuous integration tools and platforms and servers. In this course, we'll be using Travis CI, which is a free and open source project, but it's very similar to others you may have heard of, such as Jenkins or TeamCity or Microsoft's Visual Studio Team Services or Atlassian Bamboo, Circle CI, and the list just goes on and on. A continuous integration tool, or a build server, or whatever phrase you want to call it, its main point is to automate builds and tests and then report that back quickly. So most of these tools will have some sort of configuration pages or configuration scripts where you'll set up the steps in a pipeline for continuous integration. Typically, a pipeline will check out the latest version of the code from the repository, run the compile or build script on it, and then run unit tests, run integration tests, and run end-to-end tests. It may cause deployments throughout different testing and even possibly production environments. But ultimately, the purpose of any continuous integration pipeline is to take the code and turn it into deployed software products. And that's basically what there is to it. So as far as this week's lesson and lab go, we'll be learning about Travis CI. You'll be playing around with that a little bit using products and tests and all that good stuff. So have fun with it. Continuous integration is the way modern software development is going. It's very, very important, and it's very, very helpful. So I hope y'all get a lot out of this lesson. So have fun with it, y'all. Peace.